Go get the lion. There we go. Now how about we have Daddy move the lion? Oh, whoops, plop. You got it. No big thing.
Come get it over here.
Let's show the grandmas and grandpas how you move. Yeah.
Yeah? Can you come get it over here?
It's kind of a far way. You can do it.
Good job. There you go.
Yay. Yay. Can you do how big is Maddie?
What did Maddie do? Uh-oh, what did Maddie do?
Mm-hmm. Oh, can you get down and get it? Now what are you going to do? Now what are you going to do? Oh! You're going to learn to be a problem solver, right?